I'm going to a Joe Loves dinner at the Kensington Hotel. Oh my god, this looks like the bougiest hotel I've ever seen. Wow. Made it in. This is the outfit. Do you know what? It feels a little bit more Tisha Adams, which I'm not mad at because I love her. I'm gonna just met Jo Malone as well. Fangirling. Found my spot. This table is so beautiful. Wow. We have a chestnut cocktail. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Oh. I actually really want to watch. Everyone's a bit later. I need to get some snacks. I want to see. Hey guys, I've just got back from Tesco doing a big shop. Whew. You know when you get back from doing the big shop, you just need to like stand for a few minutes, just like, ah. Indy's really good like to shop with these days. She's a lot easier than when she was like 3 or 4. Indy and I have a film for tonight called The Amazing Maurice. It's one of the Sky Cinema films. In the film, the cat is Ginger. So I thought what I can do, and I got the idea from Tik Tok, is to make like a tray of all orange food. Got some bits, I'll show you guys after. I need to put all this food away. It should be good. So I'm gonna like save these here. And I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make a creamy Tuscan pasta sort of thing. I found a recipe and I thought I'd give it a go. Indy asked for hers without chicken, so I've got to sort of do 2 separate ones. But yeah, it should be nice. Also, she probably won't have the spinach. She'll probably ask me to pick it out, so I won't put that in hers. So yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't made it before. It's just gonna be a first go. Okay, I'm gonna put together this orange themed board. So I was going to get ginger nuts because I thought that would match well, but then I love these. Oh my god, these like gold, what are they called? Crunch creams? Golden crunch creams? Oh my god, these are the best, dipped in tea as well. She's gonna love this. We don't often have like a lot of snacks like this, you know. Our orange themed snack tray. And also this will be her first time trying Terry's chocolate orange, so let's see how it goes.
I want to go for the extra credit.
The Amazing Maurice. Here we are. Oh, that's so satisfying.
No.
The island paradise.
Oh, this is where we're headed. And they think they can find a...
Took my braids out last night because they were really, like, the edges were not edging anymore. They were on their way out. I had to go, even though I really loved those braids. Yeah, I think next time I get braids, even though I really love the boho look, but I think I've had that like twice in a row now. So next time I might do like just full, like normal box braids. And obviously braids are a really good protective style. Like my head can breathe a bit more. But God, like after I took them out and then I'd washed my hair and I could feel that on this side, like the edges are, it's definitely like taken some of my edges from this side. Because I think, because I wear braids up quite a lot, and then it obviously pulls quite a lot on the side. So I wanted to tell you what I thought of the film last night. Indy and I sat down to watch The Amazing Maurice. It's a really entertaining film with quite a few kids' films. Some films can drag, you know, like sort of to sit through. But this one, like what I think it's such a good family film. It's definitely, I think it would definitely appeal to a lot of different ages. Like it's very entertaining for an adult, and she liked it as well. It kept her engaged, which not all films do. And you know, she's still quite young. Sometimes she just gets up, walks off. The film is really, it has quite a lot of layers. It kind of has like social commentary in it. It has like, they break the fourth wall quite a lot. And it's like they sort of mix in a bit of like film storytelling narration in with the actual film. So it's sort of, it's a bit meta, so it like brings you out of the film a little bit, then you're like it back into the story. It's really interesting how they've pieced it together, especially for it being like a children's film or, you know, family film. So yeah, I just thought it's quite unique in that way. So I definitely recommend to watch, especially obviously if you have kids, and it's funny as well. And also there's such good actors in it. I was looking up, like, I always, does anyone else do this? Like when I'm watching an animated thing, and you know when you sort of half recognise a voice, and I'm like, I need to know who it is. So I was like, I googled like all the actors. There's some really good people in it. Also Joe Sugg is the voice of one of the rats in it, which is so amazing, like, because he's obviously from this, like, from YouTube world. Yeah, it's amazing. And then Emilia Clarke is like the main girl in it as well. Sky are doing a film gift for all Sky customers as well. So all the really iconic Christmas films like Elf, Polar Express, everything like that is available to watch on Sky Showcase. So yeah, if you're like a film lover as well, definitely check that out. Please let me know as well if you'd like me to do a bit of a film club. Yeah, I've even been thinking to maybe start a new channel which is all film related, because I could chat about films for ages. And maybe like have people on, or maybe a podcast, like have people on, talk about our favourite film, their favourite film. Anyway, let me know, because in the vlogs I can also sort of do a film of the vlog as well. I definitely recommend The Amazing Maurice. It feels very like cozy to watch, because the setting is very, it's kind of fairy tale like. And also yesterday I made this dish, right, it was like my first time making it. It's this creamy Tuscan pasta dish, and it turned out really good. I was really proud of myself. I found this recipe on TikTok and then just followed it. I'm gonna add some paprika, cayenne pepper. Oh, how do I open it? Garlic, onion powder. Okay. Oh my god. I don't really have time to marinate this. Oh my god. Chill out. Sun-dried tomatoes. Don't need no man. There's so many nice pasta dishes that you could, like, and quick ones that you can make with just sun-dried tomatoes. Just, you know, if you're someone who runs out of ideas and things, like these, a bit of cream, onion, garlic, just sorted. Chicken is smelling really good. I think that's done. Okay, everything's cut up, so I'm just waiting for the chicken now. And yeah, oh, can't wait for this dish. I really hope Indy eats this. You know when you want to do a new recipe for kids, but you know, obviously they can be a little bit fussy. So I chopped up the peppers a bit small. Fingers crossed.
I wish I could have a donut.
I'm gonna like get Indy to try, well, see if she'll try it. Not get her to. But I am guessing that she might not like some of these bits, so I'm gonna do a simple creamy pasta in here. So Indy chose shells. I probably would have done this with the rigatoni. Probably pronouncing that one. The tubes. I'm gonna add a little bit of corn flour just to sort of help thicken. Indy's little one, and then I've got her some baby corn as well. So she has a very yellow dinner. It's looking very good. It smells so good as well. I got the chicken. I'm just gonna put that on top. The chicken is so good for like not being seasoned for too long as well. Okay, this is it. I'm so impressed with myself. It looks so good. Taste test. I think I should have done the pasta a bit before because I ended up sort of loosening the sauce, like thinning out the sauce too much with stock, which has taken a bit of the flavour, I think. But anyway, good effort, I think. I think I've got a bit of a cooking segment going on in my vlogs, which I really like because, yeah, cooking really relaxes me. I wanted to show you these two things that I've picked up as well. Mostly I've been getting Christmas presents or trying to get them. I'm so like late in getting them. I'm always late. But I did get myself these two things from MISSPAP. This coat I saw on the Glow edit on her Instagram, who is so lovely as well, because like I was talking to her when I went to the House of CB party a few vlogs ago. She's so lovely. And then I saw her in this coat and I was like, I need it. Sorry, the house might be a bit of a mess. I've got Indy's toys everywhere, but it's this like faux fur coat with a few like leathery details. And you know what? It's so it feels so nice and like luxe. This would be a perfect coat to wear to like a Christmas market or something. I don't know if that's a good angle, but I really like the cut of it as well. Like I'm quite short, I'm 5'3". Some cropped coats on me aren't that flattering. It's like they stop at the complete wrong place. I know you can't see all of me, but yeah, this one is really, really nice. Oh, they had an amazing green one on there as well, and I didn't get it at first because I like to like have a little think before I buy things. Then I went back on and it's sold out in all sizes. I'm so upset. And then I want to show you the trousers that I got. So these are clever. Ooh, they look more brown now. Oh, they looked more red on the website. These basically like wide leg. Oh, wide leg trousers. But you know what? I don't think I like the colour. They look a lot more maroon or yeah, like a dark red colour on the website, so I'm not sure. Also, I think I'm way too short for these. They're very long. But anyway, I love the coat. I got it in a size small because it said it's designed to be oversized, and I'm really happy with that size actually because I wasn't sure whether to get the medium. But oh my god, it's so cozy. I'm really happy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're all well. Hope you're all doing okay in the run up to Christmas. It's such a stressful time. Also with the deliveries as well. Like, is anyone else's deliveries stuck with Royal Mail? Oh my god, it's stressful. Fingers crossed that we can get our bits in time. Today I need to do some Christmas shopping. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.